My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. Okay, today we are doing chapter number 7, FSC part 1, Inter part 1, Mathematics. Permutation, combination, and the probability. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded video. We are doing this chapter and I'll tell you just two formulas, uh, addition of probabilities. I'll just explain a little bit addition of probabilities. Right, there are two formulas, probability of A union B. We may write it probability of A or B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. But this is for disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. I will just give you an example. A die is rolled. Roll. Right, find the probability of probability of 4 or multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Right? So these are the two events. So 4, event A is equals to, right, 4. So NA equals to 1. 1. So probability of A equals to 1 over 6 as and S is equal to 6. Right. Second event state is B, which is equals to multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is 3 and 6. Right. So NB equals to 2. And NS equals to 6, we know. So probability of B equals to NB over B equals to 2 over 6 equals to 1 over 3. Right? And we can see that A contains 4, B contains 3 and 6. Nothing is common to them. So these are called disjoint sets. So therefore, probability of A or B, or we may say the probability of A union B equals to probability of A plus probability of B. Simply, right? So which is equals to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3, 1 over 3, which is equals to 3 over 6, which is equals to 1 over 2. And we know that nothing is common to them. This is the first formula, right? Okay, the second formula is probability of A union B equals to, or probability of A or B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of their joint occurrence, A intersection B. I'll give you one example of this as well. Right, this is the second formula. Right, okay, same case, a die is rolled. A die is rolled. Rolled. So find the probability of probability of an even number or multiple of 3. of 3. So now these are the two events. First event is even number, and the second event is multiple of 3. Let's say A. A is even number. Okay, even number is 2, 4, and 6. Is that correct? Right. So n of A equals to 3. These are three numbers. And we know that ns, the sample space or the universal set, is 6. So therefore, the probability of A equals to 3 over 6 equals to 1 over 2. I hope you understand it well. Okay. Now B. So B event equals to multiple of 3. It is 3 and 6. Right? So n of B equals to 2. And ns is obviously 6. So therefore, probability of B is equals to 1 to 2 over 6. So NB divided by NS equal 2 over 6, which is equals to 1 over 3. So now we can see that there are common. This is 6 is common to both, right? Okay, 6 is common to both. See this 6 and this. If we add these probabilities, these two probabilities, this 6 will be added twice. So it means that we have to minus them as well. So probability of, sorry, first of all, A intersection B equals to 6, right? So the probability of A intersection B equals to 1 over 6. Right? So now what we have to do, we have to add these two probabilities and minus the joint occurrence. So probability of A union B in this case, when the sets are not disjoint, right, equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus their joint occurrence, probability of A intersection B. So it is equals to 1 over 2, the probability of A, plus 1 over 3 is the probability of B, minus their joint occurrence 1 over 6. So the answer will be very easy, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 6, right? So it will be equals to 5 over 6 minus 1 over 6 equals to 4 over 6 equals to 2 over 3. So probability of A union B equals to 2 over 3, equals to 2 over 3. So we studied one very important rule, that that is the addition rule, right? Addition rule. Okay, addition rule is of two types. So one, if nothing is common to them, right, like this, the disjoint sets, find the probability of 4 or multiple of 3. So 4 and multiple of 3, they don't have anything common to them. So this we add the probabilities, probability of A plus B, because the events, they don't have anything common to them. We straight add this, okay? And the second is, if there is something common, suppose I took the example of even number 2, 4, 6 and multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is 3, 6. We can easily see that 6 is common to them. It means it comes twice. 6 in the event A and 6 in the event B. If we straightforward add this, these probabilities, then 6 will be added twice. So we have to minus the common factor once. So what we do, we just add their probabilities, respective probabilities, minus their joint occurrence, which is 1 over 6. So 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, which is 5 over 6, minus 1 over 6 equals to 4 over 6, and the simplified form is 2 over 3. I hope you understand it well. Right. Now, again, one example. So, or the question number 1 we are doing after this. Find a dice thrown is thrown once. Okay. Right. Find the probability that a prime number or odd number appears. Find the probability. Normally, these questions which have 2 steps, these comes in the exams mostly. Find the probability of an odd number, odd number, and a prime number. Okay. Right. Question is clear. Okay. A dice is rolled. So here S equals to, I will write S. Okay. Here S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 numbers. So NS equals to 6. Right. So A event is odd number. First of all, A odd number. Odd equals to 1, 3, and 5. So NA equals to 3. So probability of A equals to NA divided by NS equals to 3 over 6. 3 over 6, which is equals to 1 over 2. Right. Now, B, prime number. Prime number. So prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. So N of B equals to 1, 2, 3 again. So which is equals to 3. Okay, so probability of a prime number is equals to NB divided by NS. Right, which is equals to 3 over 6, which is equals to 1 over 2. Now we can see that, right, this 3 is common to both, this 3. So if we take the addition of probabilities, this 3 will be added twice, we have to subtract it once. So we have to take their common factors. So A intersection B equals to 3. So probability of, which is obviously, which is equals to 1. So the probability of A intersection B equals to number of A intersection B divided by the number of sample space, which is equals to 1 over 6. Right, now we have to take addition of probabilities. Probability of A or B equals to, or B equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus their joint occurrence, probability of A intersection B. Right, so we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6. 2. Just wait. We have 2 commons, okay? Just wait. We have 2 factors common, 2, 3, and 5. 3 and 5. Right? We have 3 and 5 common. this. So this is 2. So this is 2 over 6. Right. Okay. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 6, which is equals to 4 over 6. So which is equals to 2 over 3. So probability of A or B equals to 2 over 3. I will repeat this question once again for you. A dice rolled, what is the probability of an odd number and a prime number? Right? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So their probabilities are 1 over 2 and 1 over 2 respectively. Now we take their common or the joint occurrence. We have seen two numbers 3 and 5, they are common to both. So the probability of their joint occurrence is 2 over 6 because 2 are common, 3 and 5. Both are prime and both are odd numbers as well. So what we do when we have to find the probability of A or B, we just add their respective probabilities minus the probability of their joint occurrence. So this which is equals to 2 over 3, which is our answer. Right? Thank you very much. If you don't understand anything or if you want some explanation, you may message me on the WhatsApp number given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you pass on some suggestions, you may pass on the same WhatsApp number. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much. Allah aapka hamiya nasir ho.